Let's look at one problem as a good example for doubling our income. This is an exponential function, and the question was how to, first of all, get the equation from a table and how to predict after how many years our money will have doubled. So here it is. Arthur invested $100 in an account. His account balance is shown in the table. You have 4 options to choose from. Good luck. Okay, we're going to look at the actual table. What is our challenge? Okay, so the challenge is to start with the equation. Okay, so we do know that A is our starting point. Okay, starting point, we call it the initial value. The initial value is the investment you're making, which is $100. X will be your years. Okay, B is going to be your multiplier. And Y is your output, which is your money after so many years, right? So for us, the Y was $200. Why? Because our starting initial value was $100. That's what we started with. Now, B is the big question mark. X, well, we have to find. So the problem right now is if we can find B, we can then evaluate for X. How do we find B? Okay, so the increase here is always 1. So nothing extraordinary. The question is, how do we get from here to here, from here to here? The easiest way to do it is take one value, divide by the one above. See what you get, okay? So when you put that in the calculator, you get something like 1.09, something like that, when you round it. So now you're like, okay, that means I'm going to have $200 after how many years? Okay, so when you consider the table, the 200 will be on this side, and the X is going to be on this side. So really what you're looking for now is which X value in the table produces something very close to 200. And this is how it's done. Use your calculator, put in the function, and in your class notes, you have access to the video and you can watch it. So once you put your function in, you're going to put 100 times that to the power of X. Then you're going to go to second graph to get into your table. And then you're going to search for exactly what we just said, XY. At which point is this close to 200? That's the question. And the answer is after 8.04 years. Good job.